All right, Memorial Day weekend in Virginia, headed to do the Triple Crown this weekend. And we have a guest with us this weekend. Pebbles is the initial name. We will see what the trail provides.
I'm good with names. I'll come up with something. This one here's got 5 names.
That's a new one, and 5 names.
5 names.
We're headed at 9.4 today, and then tomorrow 9.4 will be Tinker Cliffs and McAfee Knob, and then day 3 is 13 something where we'll see Dragon's Tooth, and then day 4 wrap it up about 8.7. So we delayed start a little bit this morning due to some downpours, so we got on trail around 9ish. So it's a little muggy right now, but trail's wet, but we're off to a great start. Here comes Pebbles after her first climb. She made it 900 feet up to 2,000 foot elevation. How you feeling, Pebbles?
Tired.
Hold that up so Pebbles can get by.
Okay, you go. Hurry. Hurry. Who's going to hold it for me?
Run! Yeah, this is Hay Rock. I think this is where we'll stop for a break.
I'm not holding this one up. Well, you may have heard of the Green Tunnel, as the Appalachian Trail is known. But looky here, it looks like the Rock Tunnel, or at least one side of it. So it's the half. Ooh, did I just make you dizzy? I'll go slower. The half Rock Tunnel, half Green Tunnel. A couple of huge rock slabs back yonder. Yeah, of course, I had to hold them up for Pebbles. You think Mike can do that? Oh, sorry, not Mike. Nokē? No, he's got a film. Anyway, I'm going to slip and fall, so I'm going to sign off.
Lunch break. Friday. Subway. All right, back on the trail after lunch. We got about 5 miles to the shelter. Just walking over a power line overlook right now. We met a ridge runner, Eagle Eye. Talked to her. She's got on a similar itinerary as we are. She's going to be getting off same spot on Monday, so she offered a potential ride for us, or gave us some other people to contact. So that's good to do a little pre-planning there for a few days out. Looks like there's plenty of opportunities for shuttles.
Fairly far from this overlook.
It's not too humid out, so it's not easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, approaching Lambert Meadow camping area. Ridge runner there, Eagle Eye, who we saw earlier, stopped here. Okay, we're rolling into Lambert's Meadow Shelter. This will be our home for night 1. Bear box. Water's down below. Made it, Rockhopper. Pebbles is taking a bath. All right, day 2. On our way up to Tinker Cliffs, climb right out of the shelter. So I get the heart pumping early. Rainy night last night. Thankful we got to the shelter early and we were able to get a spot. There were 9 people crammed into that shelter last night, and still people coming in a little later looking for a spot. So looks to be a drier day today. Looking forward to some great views at Tinker Cliffs and McAfee Knob. And towards the top here at Tinker Cliffs, it's pretty windy.
Tinker Cliffs! Say hi.
Hello.
Beginning of Tinker Cliffs. Poured down rain again last night. Thunder, hail, tornadoes! Oh my! I don't know yet. I'm only just filming in case. But way up there might be McAfee Knob. I know we go down and back up.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Pebbles is taking a break and Rockhopper's doing his research. Snack time. Got 3 miles to McAfee Knob. Snickers bar. Pine bar.
Yeah, my Snicker bar is
Beautiful
in my
view.
bag.
Quick stop at the Campbell shelter, 0.7 to McAfee Knob. And we'll take a lunch break there. Oh, coming up on McAfee Knob, it's quite a climb.
And it's very hard to see, but right up there is Tinker Cliffs, and that's where I was sitting pointing this way, and I was right about the about being McAfee Knob. So that's 5 miles away by the trail. As far as the bird flies, don't know.
Up ahead, a welcome sight, John Spring Shelter. Knees pounding a little bit way down McAfee Knob. This will be our home for the night. I'm not sure if we're going to tent yet. Looks like there may be some spots over there. I think Pebbles is rolling in behind me. There she is. How you feeling today? Sore. Yeah, that's the norm. All right, day 3, Sunday morning. Just came down from camp. Stayed at John Spring last night, and had a water cache at the parking lot, so we filled up on water. Some rescue there in the parking lot, so not sure what that's all about. There are several ambulances and a rescue team. So we're headed to Dragon's Tooth today, longest day of the weekend. About 9 from camp, so we should hit there after lunch. Gonna be a little warmer today. I just came down the mountain, a lot of mud. I slipped and fell on my butt. Pack and hands and everything were full of mud, so taking a bath at the next watering creek area. We're coming up on a pasture. We're walking through here. Pebbles wants to see the cows. Stopping for some water right before Dragon's Tooth, a few miles. This is the last good water till then. And some sunscreen. New bridge here that knocked out a while back. Lunch before the climb to Dragon's Tooth, and Rockhopper squeezing out peanut butter and jelly wraps.
It's slime!
Pebbles is eating cheesy puffs, which is, I think that looks good. I might eat some of them.
Yeah. I'm not going to get you up the mountain. You eat something else?
Making our way up Dragon's Tooth. Starting to get a little rocky.
Oh, it's pretty.
Let's lean into the rock. Over here, so. All right, here comes Rockhopper. Well, Alyssa found the way. I didn't think we were billy goats, but we gotta go up the side of this freaking rock. It's just craziness. Well, we made it. You saw those rock scramble videos. Whew, that is the tooth, the Dragon's Tooth. We have found the Dragon's Tooth. I'd say that was definitely our most challenging hike yet. That beats Knife's Edge for sure. Dropped our packers off there. We're gonna take a little break here. Enjoy the views. Wow. Stunning.
So, after we climbed up 2,000 feet to get up to Dragon's Tooth, along all those weird crevices and goat crawls that I was telling you about, then I found two, well, wrong way Redmond, you can tell he might lose his way and want to go higher. But then the young one over there, of course, she wants to go over every ledge. So they decided to go up that little tiny rock right there, just to get a little bit higher. I don't know, heights are bothering me now, so I don't want to go on the edge.
All right, day 4. Set up camp at a stream last night, right before Pickle Branch Shelter. We were pretty much out of water, so it really worked out well. So now we're heading up the Audie Murphy Monument today. If we get there early enough, they might have trail magic, that's what I'm hearing. Got 8.7 today. And making us climb up Audie Murphy Monument. Man, it's kicking our butts. 2 miles to the campsite, and then another 1.7 to the monument. First 2 miles is the steepest, so definitely getting the heart pumping for sure. See Audie Murphy Monument. Came up a little side trail here. World War II pilot crashed near here.
Anywhere.
There we are, trail magic.
Sure, yeah.
Alyssa's first trail magic. These guys are awesome. Look at this spread.
Awesome.
All right.
And you're not running back to South.
I'm John.
Hot dogs, pancakes. Just coming down the mountain from the monument and some awesome trail magic. About 3.1 down the mountain to 621, which is where we arranged pickup for a shuttle from Sprocket. Thankful for the cell service on top of the mountain to be able to get in touch with him, and thankful he's available. So we'll pick up the shuttle from Sprocket and head back to Daleville to wrap up the weekend. All right, wrapping up 41.1 4-day trek.
Yeah,
Triple Crown.
20 miles in the wind, get some hair going.
Yeah, Tinker Cliffs, McAfee Knob, Dragon's Tooth,
Yeah, Dragon's Tooth.
and Pebble's first big adventure. So thanks for joining us. We enjoyed your company. So good job, everybody.
Yep.